Heading into April, two bearish stars formed to develop towards a potential double top reversal range and puts doubt into extending the uptrend higher. This incline, which can be used for a Fibonacci fan, quite useful along with the Fibonacci time zone. If bearish developments were to continue for the double top reversal, one possible location of the break can be where 97 intersects with the highest fan line and the number 5 time zone line. If that doesn't happen and the chart keeps closing above the potential trend line, conditions can improve for another attempt towards new highs this year. In contrast, CAD USD began the year falling, slowing down in the short term and actually presenting something similar to what happened with Boeing stock chart last month. Before we get to that, we can add a Fibonacci retracement and trend-based time zone that run through the previous uptrend, along with a Fibonacci spiral pointing down from the previous upswing. The similarity to Boeing stock chart is the potential development towards a descending triangle that could conclude successfully to drop lower later this month. If an upswing doesn't develop soon, to at least approximate the curvature of the spiral, and more importantly, eventually break over the descending part of the triangle, and 74 to overcome the longer-term bearish advantage. For more on topics like Fibonacci, chart patterns, and indicators, check out the hundreds of videos already on the channel.